The essentials of music theory. You'll hear me use the terminology 221, 2221, okay? And sometimes it's 221 link 221, okay? But I prefer to just use the math. It makes it much simpler. The 2 equals whole, the 1 equals half. Whole step, half step. Whole step, half step. That is how a major scale works. And it works perfectly when you go to the C major scale, because there's no sharps or flats between the E and F, no sharps or flat between the B and C. Okay, so 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. Or whole step, half. Whole step, half. Okay, and it works just as well on the C sharp major scale, because from C sharp to D sharp is 2, D sharp to E sharp is 2, E sharp to F sharp is 1, F sharp to G sharp is 2, G sharp to A sharp is 2, A sharp to B sharp is 2, B sharp to C sharp is 1. So that math is how all major scales work. So when you go to the circle of fifths, okay, the way you get the circle of fifths is when you go to the circle, to the C major scale, you bring down the fifth tone, which is a G. And in order to make the math work, let's do it. G to A is 2, or whole, half, whole. Wait a minute. You got to make the F a sharp to get the math to fit. So that's 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, because F sharp to G is 1. Okay, and then you do the same thing with the G scale. You bring down the D, the fifth tone, and you make the math work. Go D to E is 2, E to F sharp, because you already paid for the F sharp here, 2. The 1 works because F sharp to G is 1. 2, 2, 2, and then you have to make the sharp, the C, a C sharp, to make the math work for the C sharp to D. Okay? And then you do it the same way all the way down. You bring the A down and do the A. Okay? And you'll see that every time it is the seventh tone that gets a sharp added to make the math work, okay? And one of the easy ways to remember the order of sharps is an acronym. Fat cats go down alley eating bread. Or fat chicos go down the alley eating burritos. Any way that works for you so you can remember that, okay?